Hello students, today we will see some examples on circle. See it examples, first points and then examples. The line y is equals to mx plus c. The line y is equals to mx plus c. Line y equals to mx plus c is tangent. Line y equals to mx plus c is tangent to the circle. Circle x square plus y square is equals to r square or a square. We know that this is equation of a standard circle. This is equation of a standard circle whose center is at the origin O00 0 and radius is equals to r or a. The line y equals to mx plus c is tangent to the standard circle. Is y is equals to mx plus or minus a into under root of 1 plus m square. याचा अर्थ असा आहे लाईन y इक्वल्स टू mx प्लस c ही लाईन स्टँडर्ड सर्कलला टँजंट जर होत असेल तर इक्वेशन आपण रेफर करतोय y इक्वल्स टू mx प्लस और मायनस a इंटू अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस m स्क्वेअर. म्हणजे ही लाईन सर्कलला टँजंट होण्यासाठी condition for tangency C, comparing both C is equals to plus or minus A into under root of 1 plus m square. This is called condition for tangency, and using C in this equation we get y equals to mx plus or minus a into under root of 1 plus m square. This is called equation of tangent in terms of slope m. Then next point, line y equals to mx plus or minus a into under root of 1 plus m square meet the circle at common point. Then coordinates of point of contact are minus a square m upon c. म्हणजे ही टँजंट सर्कलला ज्या कॉमन पॉइंट मध्ये मीट होते इथे तुम्ही आर घेऊ शकता किंवा ए पण घेऊ शकता, काही तुम्ही इथं घेऊ शकता. इथं सपोज आपण ए करूया जस्ट ए स्क्वेअर. ओके, हा ए इज ए रेडियस और आर रेडियस, एनी नोटेशन. देयरफॉर पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट मायनस ए स्क्वेअर एम अपॉन सी, ए स्क्वेअर अपॉन सी. म्हणजे तुम्हाला विचारलं जाईल की पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्टचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स काढा. पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट मीन्स कॉमन पॉइंट इन बिटवीन टँजंट and circle, that is a point of contact. Then next point, this is a point of contact. Then next point, this is point number 1. Point number 2, consider a circle, circle. Draw two tangents from a point. We know that from a point means outside the circle. Let px1 y1 be a point outside the circle. Then from px1 y1 total tangents are here. Suppose your notation p, here q and here r. Total tangents are pq and pr. We know that from the outside the circle point, then how many tangents we can draw on? 2 tangents can be drawn from a point to the circle. If point on the circle, then one and only one tangent, and point lies inside the circle. आतमध्ये जर आला तर there is no tangent. Yes, no tangent. From px1 y1 2 tangents can be drawn to the circle. 2 tangent तुमच्या समोर इथे मी ड्रॉ केलेल्या आहेत. and we know that length of 2 tangents are same. दोघांची लेंथ काय असते? pq is equals to pr. length of 2 tangents are same. Then next point, we know that equation of tangent in terms of slope m, y is equals to mx plus or minus a into under root of 1 plus m square. This is equation of tangent in terms of slope m. tangent pass through the point px1 y1. yes, px1 y1 ही tangent p मधून पास होते. मग आपण इथे काय करूया, रिप्लेसिंग y by y1 m as it is, replacing x by x1, replacing x by x1, plus or minus a into under root of 1 plus m square. The next part adjustment y1 as it is, plus mx1 becomes in the left minus mx1 is equals to plus or minus a 1 under root of 1 plus m square as it is. The next part here, first we have to find out one quadratic equation in m. Therefore next part, squaring both the sides, we get y1 minus mx1 whole bracket square is equals to, because of squaring plus minus cancel, yes, a square, root cancel, 1 plus m square. Therefore the next step, expansion. After expansion we get y1 square like a minus b whole bracket square. Expansion, y1 square minus 2m x1 y1 plus m square x1 square is equals to, multiplying each by a square into 1 a square plus a square m square. Here we have to find out one quadratic equation in m. Then next part, m square terms are here too. Yes, m square terms are 2. M square x1 square a square m square. Taking m square common, therefore we get x1 square plus term in the left becomes minus a square. Taking m square common. Then middle term minus 2 x1 y1 into m and constant part plus y1 square plus a square in the left becomes minus a square is equals to 0. x1 y1 हा पॉइंट आहे सर्कलच्या बाहेरचा, त्यामुळे तो नोन असणार आहे. ए रेडियस नोन असणार आहे. म्हणजे हे इक्वेशन कशामध्ये मिळतं आपल्याला, एम मध्ये. दिस इज क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन इन एम. देन वी नो दॅट एव्हरी क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हॅज two roots. Yes, two roots. Say m1 and m2. Therefore, sum of the roots m1 plus m2 is equals to, and product of the roots m1 into m2 is equals to. Sum of the roots m1 plus m2 is equals to, we know that if ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta sum of the roots, alpha into beta product of the roots, alpha plus beta minus b upon a, हा घेतो ना आपण minus b upon a, alpha into beta c upon a. Therefore here we get m1 plus m2. इथे आपल्याला m हा स्लोप आहे, त्यामुळे इथे m च्या व्हॅल्यूज आपण काय घेतो, रूट्स हे दोन असतात आणि हिअर आवर रूट्स मीन स्लोप्स. Yes, slopes m1 plus m2 minus b upon a minus and value of b again minus plus 2x1 y1 upon a means x1 square minus a square. This is the value of sum of the slopes m1 plus m2, and m1 into m2 by theory like alpha into beta, c by a. Here c equals to y1 square minus a square upon x1 square minus a square. म्हणजे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचे आपण जे सम ऑफ द रूट्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्सचा जो फॉर्म्युला यूज करतो तोच इथं मी अप्लाय केलेला आहे. रूट्सच्या जागी फक्त आपण म्हणतोय स्लोप्स, सम ऑफ द स्लोप्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप्स. मोस्ट एमपी पॉइंट सम अँड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप्स. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट most MP point. First, this is a quadratic equation in M. This is also most important. Sum of the slopes, product of the slopes. Then next point, director circle. First definition of director circle and then form of a director circle. Director circle definition: the locus of a point, locus means set of a point, yes, set, the locus of a point from which the locus of a point, the locus of a point from which tangents are drawn, the locus of a point from which tangents are drawn to the standard circle. We know that standard circle equation, x square plus y square is equals to a square or r square, where a is a radius. The locus of a point from which tangents are drawn to the standard circle are at right angle. The meet कुठे होतात? Are at right angle, or tangents are mutually perpendicular to each other. Then through that point circle, म्हणजे त्या पॉइंट मध्ये जे आपण सर्कल ड्रॉ करतो ना, that is called a director circle. To that point, this is called a director circle. This is called a director circle. Yes, director circle. Director circle. Director circle ची डेफिनेशन लक्षात आली असेल. The locus of a point from which tangents are drawn to the standard circle. कोणाला काढल्या? To the standard circle are mutually perpendicular to each other. That is at right angle, meet at right angle. Then through that point circle is called a director circle. And these two circles are concentric. Yes, concentric circles. Then we know that if two circles are concentric, then center common and radius are different. दोघांच्या मध्ये सेंटर जो आहे ना, तो कॉमन आहे. कॉमन आहे तो सेंटर. म्हणजे डायरेक्टर सर्कलचा जर सेंटर आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल तर तो काय असेल? सेंटर O00. येस, सेंटर ऑफ अ डायरेक्टर सर्कल इज O00. म्हणजे जो स्टँडर्ड सर्कलचा सेंटर आहे ना, तोच असणार आहे. सेंटर ऑफ अ डायरेक्टर सर्कल इज इक्वल्स टू O00. Then to find radius, first here we have to find out equation of director circle. कंडिशन काय होती इथे की tangents या स्टँडर्ड सर्कलला म्युच्युअली परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत. Then we know that mutually perpendicular to each other, that is m1 into m2. Tangents are 2, therefore slopes are also 2. m1 into m2 is equals to -1. Yes, using condition m1 into m2 is equals to -1. But we know that m1 into m2 value y1 square minus a square upon x1 square minus a square. y1 square minus a square upon x1 square minus a square is equals to -1. Then solving this we get, मी काय केलं तर m1 m2 ची व्हॅल्यू जी आलेली होती ती इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केली. अपॉन टर्म बिकम्स इनटू. येस, y1 square minus a square is equals to, upon term becomes into, minus into plus, minus, and minus into minus, plus. Therefore here we get in the right minus x1 square becomes in the left plus x1 square plus y1 square as it is equals to a square plus a square 2 times a square. That is replacing x1 by x square as it is, y1 square by y square as it is equals to 2a square. This is equation of a director circle. This is known as a equation of a director circle. This is equation of a director circle. Yes, director circle. Therefore, radius of a director circle, center as it is O00. Radius of a director circle is equals to, CET ला आपल्याला ते विचारू शकतात. Find the equation of director circle. Find the radius of a director circle. Radius, comparing this with standard equation of a circle, x square plus y square is equals to a square. Therefore, here our adjustment √2 into a whole bracket square, meaning same, √2 square 2, √2 square 2, a square as it is. Therefore, radius of a director circle is equals to, आपण standard circle बरोबर हे इक्वेशन कंपेअर केलं. Therefore, radius is equals to √2 into a. येते लक्षात? This is our radius. Radius is equals to √2 into a. This is a radius of a director circle. Radius of a director circle, equation of a director circle, definition of a director circle, quadratic equation in M, sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. All are most important points. Then next part, Example, 1 minute. CET 2022 example, minute. The equation, example number 13, the equation of tangents, to the circle x square plus y square is equals to 4, which are parallel to x plus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0 are. Question: the equation of tangents to the circle is a standard circle. Yes, circle is a standard circle and tangents are parallel to this line. To find equation of tangent, first here given thing required tangent parallel to this line. Yes, parallel to this line. Therefore, step number 1. We know that step number 1. Upon steps घेतो. Step number 1, 2, 3. Yes. Step number 1. First here we have to find out slope of given line. Slope of given line is equals to, or its slope is equals to find slope. We know that formula, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y minus coefficient of x1 upon coefficient of y2. This is a slope of a given line. Then required tangent parallel to this line. Therefore, slope of tangent, we know that if two lines are parallel to each other, then relation between their slopes are equal. Therefore, slope of tangent is equals to also slope of tangent is equals to as it is minus half. And perpendicular condition given, then reciprocal and opposite sign. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2. Opposite of minus, plus. Perpendicular given, then slope of tangent minus half. Then slope known. Slope is denoted by notation m. Yes, m. Then slope known. Equation of a circle given. From equation of a circle, we get radius. Yes, radius. Comparing this with theoretical equation of a circle, standard circle, x square plus y square is equals to a square. Therefore, a square is equals to 4. Therefore, a is equals to 2. Radius, a is equals to 2. Radius, that is a distance. Yes. Therefore, a is equals to plus 2. Radius known, slope known. Therefore, by formula, equation of tangent in terms of slope m is y is equals to mx plus or minus, and because of here plus or minus, we get two tangents. Yes, tangents to tangent. Plus or minus a into under root of 1 plus m square. Using all values, we get y is equals to m equals to minus half into x plus minus a is equals to 2 into under root of 1 plus m is equals to minus half square, negative square positive. Yes, negative square positive, half square 1 by 4. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1 by 2x plus or minus 2 into under root of cross multiplication 4 into 1 4 plus 1 5 root 5 upon in root 4 and root 4. Yes, root 4 is equals to 2. Root cross multiplication and root 4 equals to 2. Then next step is easy step. Here upon 2, here also upon 2. Multiplying. 1 minute. Options are here. Multiplying. Yes, multiplying both the sides each by 2. Therefore, we get into 2 into 2 into 2. 2y is equals to into 2 upon 2 cancel minus x plus or minus into 2 upon 2 cancel 2 root 5. Option here x minus x in the left becomes plus 2y is equals to constant as it is plus or minus 2 root 5. Option B. 2022 example number 13. Then next example number 14. Let A and B be two non-zero real numbers. The equation ax square plus by square plus c into x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equals to 0 represents here option A, four straight lines when c equals to 0 and AB are of the same sign, etc. Given circle and ellipse, straight line and hyperbola. Step number first, solving this we get. आपल्याला आधी काय केलं पाहिजे? A and B, two non-zero real numbers. This is our condition. This is equation. First, like x into y type equals to 0. First, here multiplication sign given. Yes. Therefore, first part equals to 0. We get ax square plus by square plus c is equals to 0. Second, x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equals to 0. X square minus 5xy plus 6y square is equals to 0. Solving both we get. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? दोन्ही सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. बट हिअर ए अँड हिअर बी. आता एक लक्षात घ्या की हे सर्कल असू शकेल का? सर्कलचं इक्वेशन असू शकेल, पण काय इथं कंडिशन मग अप्लाय करावी लागेल. ऑप्शन वरून जाऊ शकता तुम्ही. व्हेन ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी असं घेऊ शकतो ना आपण. ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी. ए आणि बी जर सेम असेल, बघा मी काय म्हणते, म्हणजे मी जर असं केलं ax square as it is, put b is equals to a plus c is equals to 0. ऑप्शन वरून पण ऍडजस्ट करू शकता. डिवाइडिंग बोथ द साइड्स each by a. Dividing both the sides each by a, we get here c by a is equals to 0. Therefore, x square plus y square plus term in the right becomes minus c by a. मला ना इथं असं एक इक्वेशन मिळालं. x square plus y square is equals to constant, but here sign minus. Then next, solving second part. Here factors are, this is a constant. Here 6y square, 6 factors are 6 into 1 or 3 into 2. कोणते घेऊ शकतो आपण? प्लस आहे 3 into 2. Yes, minus 3 minus 2. Yes, minus 5. म्हणजे टोटल आली पाहिजे ऍडिशन -5 and multiplication -3 into -2 minus into minus plus 6. Yes, therefore we get x square plus minus 3xy minus 2xy plus 6y square is equals to 0. Then grouping. After grouping we get here x common. In uncommon x minus 3y. And in third and fourth part 2y common. Uncommon x, sign here minus 3y is equals to 0. Minus into minus plus. Solving we get this equation. Then repeated part x minus 3y. Next part x minus 2y is equals to 0. Therefore here we get x minus 3y equals to 0 or x minus 2y equals to 0. येते लक्षात. आपल्याला इथं काय मिळाले, तर आपल्याला दोन इक्वेशन्स मिळाले. समजते सगळ्यांना. आता थोडंसं आपण जरा ऑप्शनकडे जाऊया. ऑप्शन डी आपण जर बघितला तर नीट बघा. 2 स्ट्रेट लाईन्स बरोबर आहेत का? दीज आर 2 स्ट्रेट लाईन्स पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. येस, पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन and a circle. हे बघा, like x square plus y square is equals to r square. But circle when a equals to b, yes, a equals to b, and c is of sign opposite to that of a. Therefore, option B, correct option. Option D, correct option. Okay.